In this video, we're talking about asset-based living and why it's the core of financial independence. Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terbolini, and I'm all about achieving financial independence through real estate investing and online business. So if you're new to the channel and you're looking to achieve financial freedom for yourself, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below and you will not miss a thing. So everybody needs an income to sustain their lifestyle, and there's kind of two ways to do that. There's the traditional income route where you're doing your 9-to-5 job, you make your income and you pay your bills and invest in everything. That's one way. The second way is asset-based living. And what most people do is they work their 9-to-5 job and they put their money, excess money, into a 401k, and eventually that builds over time. It's very slow, it takes a long time, many years. But what you're doing is you're building an asset that you can leverage to live off of in your retirement years. So I want to kind of talk about more about that asset-based living in this video, because what I'm trying to do and what I'm trying to help in this video is people to reach that asset-based living a lot faster than most, because usually it takes, decades to kind of create that asset, which is essentially your 401k, to reach retirement, and then you live off the income of that, which is basically interest payments on that. So examples of assets would be businesses. So if you create a business that produces cash flow, that's an asset. If you purchase stocks, that's an asset. Your 401k can be an asset. Cash flow real estate is definitely an asset. There's precious metals, there's crypto, and some of those are more speculative than others. So crypto is very volatile and not really what I would consider a safe asset to produce consistent income. Whereas cash flow real estate and a business would be a lot more reliable, I would say. And nothing's completely risk-free, but usually, you have leases in place for real estate, and businesses have kind of a track record of how much income they produce. So you want to move kind of like in that direction to kind of have that more asset-based lifestyle, at least earlier on in life, because it takes a long time to create that 401k. So you can create businesses and then purchase real estate to kind of speed that up a little bit. So, like I said, everybody moves to an asset-based lifestyle eventually in life. And even if you have zero savings, you're going to live off of Social Security. It just kind of depends what kind of a retirement you want. If you want to save for retirement, you're going to invest in a 401k. Maybe you have a pension plan with your company or Social Security. But if you're going to take retirement into your own hands, you have to work to build your own, or build or buy your own assets. So it's going to be, like I said, creating businesses that create cash flow. It's going to be buying real estate that produces cash flow. So you have to have like kind of this asset-based mindset. It's like, to have a good retirement, you have to have assets that produce income that you can live off to support your lifestyle. And if you don't do that, it's going to be difficult to sustain your lifestyle later on in life. So I kind of wanted to basically talk about in this video that we're basically trying to reach financial freedom earlier than most people. So what you have to do is save your money and then use your time to build assets. So in this case, this video is kind of dedicated to online business. So creating online businesses of some kind, produce a product, have a service, or an affiliate website or something that produces income consistently, so you can use your time wisely. And then when you create that or produce that income that comes to you, you take that money and then you go purchase or leverage it and go purchase real estate and use that to create consistent cash flow every month from rental real estate. And you're basically taking your time and building an asset, and then you're using that money to buy assets. And you just rinse and repeat that every single day, as much as you can. As much as you can save, take that, purchase real estate, and just keep doing it over and over and over and over and over again. And eventually, you're not going to need a 9-to-5. And then eventually, you might not even need the business, because your real estate portfolio has grown so large that you don't need, you have complete time freedom. You can do whatever you want, pretty much. You can hire managers to manage your real estate portfolio and all the leases and rents and everything, so you can be completely hands-off. So that is the goal of this channel, and what I kind of wanted to communicate in this video is, like, you kind of want to move away from the 9-to-5 and just kind of like living paycheck to paycheck, that kind of hamster wheel kind of mentality, to more of this asset-based lifestyle. And you have to be dedicated, and you have to put in the time and the effort to start building and buying these assets to kind of transition over, and it takes time and effort. So it's a large goal. It takes a long time, but I think it is well worth it, and it's gonna be great for you and your family and generations forward. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.